Hi everyone, today I have found out about a website where you could create royalty-free music. I have actually found out about this website from another YouTube channel called It's Frida, and the actual video created by this YouTuber is very good, so I recommend you watch that video as well and also take a look at this channel. It's looking extremely useful. And to be honest with you, I was looking at that channel for the very first time today and it looks extremely useful. And so I might have a look at some other videos and I may subscribe myself. Thank you. Today I'm going to show you something called Ecrett Music. Ecrett Music allows you to create royalty-free music. And I'm actually looking at this site to create royalty-free music for my YouTube channel. So the URL is here at the top. Okay, so if you go to the left hand side here, you basically got a few options, and this is actually an extremely easy to use site to create your own royalty-free music. And all the processing for creating the music is done by AI in the cloud. Okay, so I've actually started using this earlier today, and I've actually subscribed for 1 month. So you can basically go for an annual subscription, which is $4.99 a month. I'm actually going to be paying for 1 month, which is for $7.99 a month, as follows. Okay, so if you go back to the left hand side here, there's quite a few, there's do's and don'ts here as well. So basically, regards to do's and don'ts, if you go to types of content, you can basically use the music for content such as hobbies, ads, wedding, monetized contents, gaming, etc. But you can't use the music for contents that are harmful, sexual and or hateful. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say that word, but I'm actually just reading that from their website. In relation to editing, so you can, on the premise that the music will be incorporated into a game, video or podcast, edit the music into personal commercial contents, adjust the volume or length of the music to fit the game, video, podcast. Adding lyrics or mixing only permitted when the music is incorporated into a game, video, podcast. Okay, you're not allowed to add lyrics or mixing if the music will be shared as a music file, i.e. not part of a game, video or podcast. Okay, in relation to sharing, you can share or post the contents you created using Ecrett Music on various platforms such as social media or websites. In relation to what you can't do, you can't share, send or distribute music created with Ecrett as music format even for free and through the downloadable link. In relation to profiting, so you can monetize the music, monetize through YouTube, sell or sub-license your products using Ecrett Music, but you can't sell or sub-license the music as a music format is prohibited even for free. Okay, so let's go and create the music. So we go back to the top left here, go to create music, or you can go click on this big button on the bottom right here as well. So we're just going to create music. Okay, so this is a really simple, easy to use interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually a big fan of lo-fi hip-hop beats. I'm actually a big fan of hip-hop in general, well, old school. I used to listen to hip-hop from the mid 80s to the late 90s. So what we can do is, so you can basically select a scene, mood and genre. So I'm actually going to select the genre first, which is hip-hop. Okay, and next I'm going to create a mood which is chill, because I like my chilled hip hop beats, and then I'm going to click on create music. I just remembered I had headphones plugged into my laptop, so I've just unplugged them. And we're just waiting for it to process. Okay, a little bit embarrassing. It looks like my internet connection is struggling right now, so I'll just keep on waiting. I usually have a 70 meg. Sorry, I'll pause that. I usually have a 70 megabits per second connection at my new place. Okay, I'm going to resume playing. Okay, so I'm going to pause that. So there is a few changes you can make. So by default, you will see the music track that is created, it goes up to 1 minute. So I'm actually going to increase that to 5 minutes as follows. Okay, you can also mess around with the tempo and the volume of the various components such as melody, backing, bass and drum, but I'm going to leave that as default. Then click on play to continue. You can also use this timing bar here to navigate through the track. So I'm going to go to 2 minutes 7 seconds as follows. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, I don't really like that track to be honest. So what I did was I selected hip hop and chill, and it doesn't sound to my liking. So what I would do is I'll go to another beat I created earlier this evening, which is this one, chill hip hop, for 5 minutes, and I'll just open that and so you can listen to it. Okay, so this is much more to my liking. This is the type of music I prefer. Obviously, this is not to everyone's taste, so everyone's got different tastes in music. Personally, but I prefer my like chill hip hop or lo-fi hip hop beats, and I will be experimenting over the next few weeks and using some of these beats for my backing, and I'll be talking over them. So this one is called chill _ hip hop _ 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to play another track that I created earlier today as well, and this one is EDM. So this is a happy EDM one that was created, and we'll just open that up so I can show you. Okay, so as you can probably hear, this is a very upbeat track. Skip to the middle. Okay, so I might find use for that track somewhere. Another track I created was EDM here, so, and another really positive, bright, upbeat track as well. And to be honest with you, I might try and make use of this track sometime in the future. Okay, so as you can see, I've created several tracks earlier this evening, and I like this tool so much I thought I would share it with you. Okay, let's have a go at creating another track instead. So I'm going to select clear all here on the left, go for lo-fi, go for say simulation, go for chill, then do create music. Take off the simulation here and create it again and see how it looks. It's quite funny. So when I was playing around with this earlier this evening, everything I seem to create I seem to like, but now I'm recording, yeah, it's not sounding quite as good. It's really strange. It seems to me that if you pick the same options, it creates something different every time, and it's actually AI that's creating this music in the background. Not too sure about that one either. Right, okay, let's stop that one. Okay, I'm going to create a track now, and regardless of whether I like it or not, I'm actually going to save it, download it and save it. So let's go for techno. I haven't tried any techno today. Okay, we'll do techno. Let's do uplifting. Okay, and try adventure. See how that sounds. Not tried this one today, so this is going to be new to me. But again, what I've found so far with this site is when you pick the same options, it sometimes sounds different later on. It could be me though. Okay, for me this is not too bad, to be honest with you. I might find use for this one as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is stop it there, then hit the download button to start downloading it, and we'll just wait for it to download. Okay, so while it's downloading, I just want to mention the name of the site again, which is ecrettmusic.com, and I'll put a link to this website in the description box below. Okay, so the sound file has been downloaded, and it's been downloaded as a WAV file or WAV file. So if we open it, actually click on no there, let's go to my file browser. So if I go to downloads here, take a copy of that, go back to music, put it into my royalty free music here, paste it in there. Okay, and then we can play it. Yep, so that's it really. So if you've got to the end of this video, thank you very much for your time. Please like if you like this video. If you don't, I totally understand. Please subscribe to my channel, and should you wish to see further videos from myself, please hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I do upload further videos. And thank you very much for your time.